welcome back to my YouTube channel. I guess I'm starting off today's morning routine video. Literally just woke up like 20 minutes ago. I've just been like responding to emails and checking my phone and stuff. But we're gonna do this morning routine vlog style. So I hope you like it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, subscribe down below because I'm gonna be making videos 3 times a week. Yes, you heard it right. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Saturday, every week. So get ready for a lot of content, a lot of YouTube videos. So literally just woke up. I sleep with a pregnancy pillow and it's just the most amazing thing in the entire world. It's like the man you never thought you needed. I think our gardener just came. Can you hear that? I slept in our living room. That's my dog. Say hello to YouTube. Aww. Right, so I'm like actually up and I look really crazy right now. So let's go get some coffee because that's what I really need. Well, I don't know if you can see this, but my entire family drank all the coffee. So we're just gonna have to make another pot. Okay, so my camera decided to run out of battery, so I'm just charging that right now. But I'm just kind of responding to some emails at the moment. I have to take my brother to SAT class by 11, and right now it's 8:08, so I've been up for about an hour now. I'm just gonna probably do this and like edit and stuff till like 10ish, and then start getting ready for my day. Like everyone asks like, how many emails do you must have so many emails. What kind of emails do you have to do that'll take you like 3 hours? Like, it's not that I have a lot of emails, it's that I'm like following up on certain campaigns that I'm working on and like trying to email companies for jobs and trying to email, like that's what emailing means. It's not like I'm emailing like nobody, like my friends, like no, I'm like emailing brands, I'm emailing companies, I'm emailing people because that's what you do when you do YouTube. Like you email people to try to land brand deals and things like that. So that's currently what I'm doing. Don't mind me. This is like real life YouTube, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's just get some work done and I will see you in a bit. I just cleansed my face. I'm using my Kiehl's toner. Most of the same steps that I use for my morning skincare routine is also like it's on my IGTV for my nighttime skincare routine. Honestly, I don't do any glam until after I've dropped my brother off because that's when I normally will film the makeup look or whatever. This is the Naked Bklyn Hydrating Post-Beach Face Serum. Even though I didn't go to the beach, I still use this every day, every morning and night because it just has been giving my skin so much love and it's been hydrating my skin like so much and I love it. It smells so good, it feels so good. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Creamy Avocado Eye Treatment by Kiehl. I think it's just called the Creamy Eye Treatment. It was probably a little too much, but it's okay. And I always wipe my eye creams like up like this to fight the wrinkles. And since I'm going outside, I'm gonna just throw on a bit of sunblock, because you want to make sure you're protecting your skin. This is the Shisiedo Ultimate Protection Sunblock. I don't know, it's the one that's like water-based. Get a little bit more from my forehead. And then I go in with my Knots, which stands for Noble Through Skin SPF 25 White Luminaire. You can read it here. I love this stuff. It starts out like this, but then you rub it in and it becomes like your skin color. And it's like the most amazing, just light BB cream. Well, it's a CC cream. But if you don't want any like makeup, but you just want like a little bit of an even skin tone, this is like an amazing product. And I got it for my birthday from my sister. And then I'm just gonna put my contacts on and then we're gonna head out the door. We're on our way to my brother's SAT place. And my dog just loves coming along for the ride. But he's like really annoying. when he like sits on my fat stomach. Want to be in the vlog? No. Oh, my brother doesn't want to be in the vlog. But yeah, I should probably like drive with 2 hands now. So I will talk to you guys when I get back home. Made it back home. I'm gonna fix up some breakfast for myself. Let's see what we have to eat this morning. Ooh, I might eat some watermelon. Okay, yeah, we have some rice, yum. So I'm just gonna fix myself up some breakfast. I finished a lot of my like pressing emails. Now I'm just like waiting for responses from people. I'm filming a makeup tutorial today using new makeup products, so that will be up later. But normally my workouts and stuff will happen later in the day, like around 3 or 4ish when my brother gets back, because I kind of like train him. Honestly, he just doesn't like working out, so I try to like motivate him. So that's when like my workouts normally come in. But let's make some breakfast. So by the way, my camera battery is charged now, so that's why I'm using my camera again. I am currently heating up some leftover rice in there. Saw my dog in the car, and now he's just sitting outside sunbathing. You're living your best life. Oh, he like does not want to talk to me. He's so over the camera. So for breakfast we have some leftover rice, and I'm gonna like just fry up an egg, lay it on top of the rice, and like eat that, and some like banchan, which in Korean is like side dishes. So I think I'm gonna do that. Breakfast, it's like 11 something right now. It's not really breakfast anymore. I just put some olive oil in the pan, crack my egg. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh my god, I just totally failed. Okay, well that's that. Here's my cute little egg. Love it. Honestly, I like it over easy. So I just kind of fry up the bottom, put it over my rice. Yum. The trick to really yummy like rice over egg, or egg over rice, is to put sesame oil and soy sauce on top. Normally I eat the egg raw, but I didn't want to freak you guys out on YouTube. A lot of people freak out when I eat like raw eggs over rice and I mix it together. But I didn't want to freak you guys out, so I cooked it this time, which a lot of people like normally eat it cooked like this. But you don't need to salt the egg. You just put a little bit of soy sauce. You could honestly put like a spoonful. You take some sesame oil. I'm like trying to do all this one-handed. Oma, if you're watching, I'm being careful, don't worry. Yeah, and I just put like a spoonful of that. Mix up the rice and the egg, like mix it up together. And then I think I'm just gonna have some like banchan. I have Kiehl, which is dried seaweed. I have some cucumber kimchi, which is delicious. My mom made it from home. Yeah, and that is gonna be my breakfast today. So here is my rice with egg. Some Kiehl. That was really good. Honestly, it's like the fastest thing to make. I made this so much in college. Like the fastest, easiest thing to make. Oil kimchi. That was so good. Like I could eat this every day. I really could. So you guys are officially on the tripod. I have no idea if I'm in focus or whatever. That's like the bad thing about my vlogging camera. Today is Monday, so I will be using my weekly planner notepad from Mod Mode Designs. You can get 15% off with the code Inmyseams. It's the cutest little shop, and I love all their stuff. I'm also going to show you a little bit later in this video how I plan for other things. But I'm just going to plan on my week with this little notepad. Alright, so let's start off with my week. Today is the 23rd. I work at Victoria's Secret, so I need to write down my work schedule. That is what the work schedule is this week. Monday, today, I have to do my laundry. I also need to clean my room. I also need to film and upload. I have, what else do I need to do? I'm gonna leave that blank because I keep adding stuff on while I'm working. Lunch meeting.
It's 12 o'clock.
It's 12 o'clock. Yep, there we go. This is no longer a morning routine. It's more like my everyday. Sorry for my handwriting. It's normally really cute, but I'm just like not in the mood for it right now. Upload either this day or this day. What'll happen is I'll probably film and edit videos in these 2 days. Schedule an upload for Wednesday, schedule an upload for Friday or Saturday. So that's kind of how I plan out my weekly schedule. And then with my Kate Spade planner, I am using Sessavee inserts. You can get 10% off with the code Inmyseams. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out what I need to do today. So it's already 12. I've already dropped my brother off. I need to pick him up at 3, so I am going to be working out at 4. So yeah, that's kind of like more of like a timely, like hour to hour basis of what I need to do. I like to fill this one out more in detail of my day if I have to. For now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Knock this guy closed. And then I just like do my YouTube stuff, and that's what I do. That's pretty much my morning, and you guys will see the makeup tutorial that I am filming later today, like literally in 30 minutes. And yeah, I mean, this is a realistic Monday morning routine for me. It's not really glamorous. And I feel like I probably should have like gotten ready for the day and like all this stuff, but like I'm pretty ready. Like I don't mind going out like this, but like I'm not dressed up, and I mean I'm gonna be filming YouTube videos, so that's normally why my face is clean. If I'm glammed up, I'm getting ready for work or I'm getting ready for a video. I know a lot of you guys are also aspiring bloggers and YouTubers, and by no means am I like, you know, do I know how to do this whole YouTube thing yet? I'm just figuring out what works best for me, and this is kind of what works in my mornings. So that's how I try to use my time productively from the get-go in the morning. If you have any questions for me on any of the products that I used, or any of like, if you want more detail about planning, if you want more detail about, you know, certain topics, then please let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like a realistic Monday morning for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy your Monday, stay productive, stay strong. I wish I looked cuter, but that's just not realistic for my Mondays. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!